Have you ever bought something that you didn't really need just because everyone else seemed to have it? Maybe it was a phone, maybe it was a course, or maybe it was a trip. Or maybe you spent an entire evening scrolling through Instagram watching people live lives that looked way more exciting than yours. And somehow, instead of feeling motivated, you felt anxious, like you were falling behind, like everyone was moving forward except you. If that sounds familiar, then congratulations. You have experienced one of the most powerful forces controlling modern life, FOMO, the fear of missing out. And today I'm gonna show you why FOMO is quietly making people more poor, more distracted, and less fulfilled than ever before. Because once you understand how it works, you will start to see it everywhere. And you'll realize that some of the most successful people in the world are successful because they learned to ignore it. Let's begin. What exactly is FOMO? FOMO is the fear that something better is happening somewhere else. A better opportunity, a better lifestyle, a better relationship, a better investment, better experience. The term became popular back in the early 2000s, but let's be honest. FOMO existed long before social media. Humans have always compared themselves to others. The difference is that today you carry a comparison machine in your own pockets. Every single day you open Instagram, you see someone is on vacation. You open YouTube, someone bought their dream car. You open LinkedIn, someone got promoted. You open Twitter and someone made 10 lakhs from crypto. And your brain starts asking, what am I doing wrong? The problem isn't that these things exist. The problem is you are seeing the highlight reels of hundreds of people every day. Something no human brain was designed to handle. And that is exactly where the damage begins. How FOMO keeps you broke. Let's talk about money first, because this is where FOMO quietly destroys financial freedom. Imagine your friend buys an expensive iPhone and suddenly your perfectly working phone feels outdated. Another friend starts trading stocks. Now you feel like you're missing an opportunity. Then someone posts vacation pictures from Bali and now your local weekend trip feels boring. Notice what happened? Nothing changed in your life. Only your perspective changed. FOMO convinces you to spend money to solve feelings, not problems. And feelings are expensive. That's why so many young people are trapped in this cycle of earning and spending. Not because they don't earn enough, but because every month there is something new they feel they need it. New clothes, new gadgets, new subscriptions, new experiences, new trends, new upgrades. The modern economy thrives on making you feel incomplete. Because a person who feels complete is very difficult to sell things to. Think about that. Every rupee you spend trying to keep up with the others is a rupee that could have been invested into your future. The irony, people who look rich often spend money to impress others, and the people who become rich often spend years ignoring others. So, how FOMO destroys your focus? Now, let's talk about something even more dangerous, your attention. Imagine you're working on a goal, growing a YouTube channel, learning a skill, starting a business, getting fit. You see someone making money through dropshipping. Now you want to try that. A week later, someone is making money through AI. Now that looks exciting. Then crypto starts booming. Then trading, then freelancing, then real estate, then something else. And before you know it, you have started 10 different things and finished none. FOMO creates a constant feeling that the grass is greener somewhere else. And because of that, you never stay in one place long enough to see results. Most people don't fail because they choose the wrong path. They fail because they keep changing paths. The greatest opportunities often look boring in the beginning, but FOMO makes boring feel unacceptable, and that's why people stay busy without moving forward. The hidden cost nobody talks about. Here's the part that actually hurts the most. FOMO doesn't just steal money, it doesn't just steal focus. It steals satisfaction. You could be having a perfectly good day, but then you see someone doing something more exciting, and suddenly your day starts to feel worse. You could have a loving relationship, but then you see other couples online and you suddenly question your own. You could be making steady progress, but then you see someone moving faster, and then suddenly your progress feels small. FOMO turns life into a competition that never ends because there will always be someone who's better, who's smarter, who's fitter, more successful, more attractive. If your happiness depends on being ahead of everyone else, you'll never catch up. How to beat FOMO? Let's talk solutions. Because FOMO isn't something that you completely eliminate, it is something that you learn to manage. Understand that every yes is also a no. Every time you say yes to a thing, you're also saying no to something else. If you're buying every trending gadget, you are saying no to every future investment. If you chase every opportunity, you are saying no to mastery. Successful people understand this. They don't do everything, they choose carefully. Second, stop consuming so much of other people's lives. Most FOMO enters through your eyes. The more time you spend watching everyone else's life, the less satisfied you'll feel with your own. Try this. Spend 1 week consuming less social media. Not forever, just 1 week. You will be shocked by how peaceful your mind becomes and how much clearer your goals feels. Create your own definition of success. This is huge. Many people are chasing goals they never choose. They inherit them from social media. Ask yourself, what do I actually want? Not what looks impressive, not what gets likes, not what everyone else is doing. What do you want? Because when your goals are truly yours, other people's paths become less distracting. Practice JOMO, the joy of missing out. Instead of feeling bad that you're missing something, feel grateful that you're focused on something meaningful. You're missing parties? Good. Maybe you're building skills. You're missing trends? Good. Maybe you're building wealth. You're missing distractions? Good. Maybe you're building your future. Sometimes missing out is exactly what creates success. The biggest lie FOMO tells you is this: everyone else is growing, everyone else is winning. They are not. Everyone has struggles you don't see. Everyone has doubts. Everyone has insecurities. Everyone is figuring things out as they go. The difference is social media only shows the victories, not the sacrifices behind them. So the next time you feel like you're falling behind, remember this. You don't need to be everywhere. You don't need to do everything. You don't need to chase every opportunity. You only need to stay focused long enough on the things that truly matter. Because the people who win in life aren't the ones who followed every trend. They are the ones who ignored most of them. And now I want to hear from you. What's one thing that FOMO has made you spend money on or waste time in the past? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you see FOMO differently, hit that like button. And if you are interested in building confidence, stronger mindset, discipline, make sure to subscribe. Because sometimes the fastest way forward is learning what to ignore.